I'm Ann Carr. I'm with HKS Architects, and I was the Senior Interior Designer and Project Manager for Joe DiMaggio Children's Hospital. We thoroughly enjoyed working with Inpro on the aspects, digital graphic wall protection in this space, as well as all the wall protection throughout the entire expansion and renovation. We have graphics printed on aspects in every patient room, and the graphic changes every 4 rooms on all of the floors. And those were all custom graphics that we created, and they were beautiful when printed on the wall protection. And again, the tried and true handrails and guardrails and corner guards are throughout the surgical spaces, are throughout the corridors, and in all of the spaces where memories are created in this hospital. They've held up beautifully, and this is actually a vertical expansion at Joe DiMaggio Children's Hospital, and it's one of the products that the hospital came to us and said, this is something that's worked for us since we opened in 2011, and we want to use Inpro again.